Good morning, welcome back. Today we're going to talk with you about equations. Equations are very important in algebra. Equations are the given answers with unknown, and our mission is to find that unknown number. So if you are looking at the equation, you are thinking that we have got a missing number, and our task is to find that number. Please keep in mind, when you are working with addition and equations, you need to swap the signs. Let me show you how it will be done. For example, unknown number plus 5 equal 14. To find that unknown number, we should send our plus 5 to the right side. Only unknown should be stayed alone. Everything, literally everything should be sent to the right side. So, plus 5 should be sent to the right side. However, please keep in mind that number plus 5 should be changed to the minus 5. So, when you subtract two numbers, our final answer will be 9. You can check it. When you put 9 instead of x, 9 plus 5, it is of course equal to the 14. When you work with subtraction part, again the same process, only unknown should stay here, everything should be sent to the right side. However, keep in mind our minus should be changed to the plus as well. So, plus should be changed to the minus, minus should be changed to the plus. So, if we continue that, our minus 3 will be plus 3 when it comes to the right side. And it will give you the final answer, number 15. Of course, you can check it. 15 minus 3 is definitely number 12. When you are working with multiplication, you gotta keep in mind nothing changed, no sign will change. However, the only thing that should be changed is your multiplication should be division when it comes to the right side. I told you one more time and I repeat that only unknown should stay here like that, and anything next to it should be sent to the right side. However, as number 5 is being multiplied here, that multiplication should be division. So, when you divide 35 to the 5, your final answer is number 7. So you can check it, 7 multiplied 5 is definitely 35. It is definitely the same for division as well. Unknown number is being divided to the 7 equal 4. So, however, keep in mind that division should be multiplication when it is coming to the right side. So 4 multiplied 7, our final answer is 28. So you can check it, 28 divided 7 is definitely 4. This is one-step equations. When you are working with two-step equations, we have only one important thing that should be kept in mind. If you know the order of operations, we always have to do multiplication and division first, and addition and subtraction next. However, with equations, it is not like this. First of all, addition and subtraction should be done, and after that, multiplication and division should be done. Let me show you how we are going to do that. If you look at the equation, we are given 4x minus 20 equal minus 8. Keep in mind, please do not send multiplication or division. As I told you, your subtraction and addition should be sent first of all to the right side. Once we send them, we will left with minus 8 and plus 20 because, as I told you, minus sign should be changed to the plus sign. So, when you calculate that, it will give you number 12. And as you can see, this is multiplication, like our third question. And as I told you, the number is being multiplied should be changed to the division. So, our final answer is 3. So, you can check it. If you put number 3 here, it will give you number 12. Number 12 minus 20 is minus 8. If you look at the next question, it is also the same. However, keep in mind, it's being multiplied. As I told you, do not start with multiplication and division. Start with subtraction and addition. Minus 4 should be changed to the plus 4 when it comes to the right side. And it gives you the expression of minus 12. As I told you, it definitely looks like our number 3 equation. Multiplication should be division when it comes to the right side. When you divide minus 12 to the minus 3, your final answer is 4. I hope you understand, and now we are moving into a bit difficult equation problems. Working with a bit challenging equations. If you look at the question, we are given an equation and m is unknown, which we are going to find. However, before starting, please keep in mind we have a distributive property. Moving into a bit challenging questions. If you look at the question, we are given an equation where m is unknown, which we are going to find. However, to find m, we'll use distributive property. Please keep in mind this formula because it helps us in our work. So, if you look at the equation, 2 being multiplied to the m and 2 being multiplied to the 2, like this one, and when you open that, they should be multiplied one by one. For example, minus 2 multiplied m is equal to the minus 2m, and minus 2 should be multiplied to the minus 2, which is number 4. Plus, again, 7 should be multiplied to the both of the expressions, leaving you with 7m and minus 56 equal minus 67. And please keep in mind, when you have got two unknowns, we can actually work with them, add them, subtract them, and minus 2m and plus 7m gives us the expression of 5m when you add them, and minus 4 and minus 56 will give us minus 52 equal minus 67. This is definitely the question we worked at a few minutes ago. As I told you, not multiplication but subtraction or addition should be sent to the right side, leaving you with 5m minus 67, and it should swap its sign to the plus side. So your final answer is minus 67 plus 52 minus 15, and multiplication should be division as I wanted to. So minus 15 divided by will give us the final answer minus 3. So now we are moving into fractions. So again, equation, we have to find unknown n. However, the question is about fractions. It's very easy, and the first step is writing down everything and opening the bracket first of all. And if you open that, it will give you the same thing, minus 2n plus. However, when you use distributive property, you have to multiply both of them, which is actually 2n, and 2 should be multiplied number 3, 6 divided 2 is actually number 3. Once we open that, the next thing we have to do is finding our LCD. I explained everything in the second and third videos and how to find LCD or fractions. If you watch it, you can repeat it one more time. LCD is a number that should divide all of your denominators. And if you look at your biggest number, number 6 can divide literally every denominator. Number 6 can divide 6, 6 can divide 3, 6 can divide 2, 6 can divide 1 and 1. So our denominator should be number 6. To make everything number 6, we have to multiply number 3 to the number 2, so it will be 6. And I told you what number you write on the denominator should be written on your numerator. So to make it number 6, you have to multiply it to the 3, and again, 3 should be written on your denominator. As you know, there is actually hidden number 1, and to make it number 6, we have to multiply it to the 6, and number 6 should be multiplied to the numerator as well. Again, the same process, number 6 should be multiplied and number 6 should be multiplied above. Once we equalize our denominators to the number 6, we can actually eliminate the denominator process. All we have to do is working with our numerators, with above numbers. Let's see, we have that number 7 minus, when we multiply 2 to the 4, 2 gives us 8, and we have that n here, do not forget. And when you multiply 2 3s, it gives us number 9, we have that n here as well. And when you multiply this one, it gives the expression of 12m plus 18. Please keep in mind, when you have got unknowns on the left side and on the right side, like this one, you have to carefully organize them. I mean, your unknowns should be sent to the left side, like this one, and your known numbers should be sent to the right side. Keep in mind, any alphabetical numbers should be sent to the left side, any numbers should be sent to the right side. Once we do that, we will have minus 18. This minus should be plus as I wanted to, and this plus should be changed to the minus. Equal, we have got number 18 here, let's write it, and number 7 is coming here, so however, it should be changed to the minus. When you calculate that, it will give you 11, and when you subtract this one, it will give you 11. The same easy equation, multiplication, as I told you, multiplication should be changed to the division. When you divide two numbers, your final answer will be equal to the -1. I hope everything is understandable.